Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about step by step how to make a basic concept of Scandinavian luxury house in SketchUp. First of all, we have to setting the basic shape with using the rectangle. We can click from this origin and we can set the side around of 20 meter until 35 meter approximately. Okay, and so this is the basic side or landscaping, and we can make the meshing in here for the building or a Scandinavian house or luxury Scandinavian house in here. We can setting the meshing in here, and we can set the another meshing in here. Okay, this is about the double meshing. Okay, and then we can push it up around 5 meter or 3.5 meter only. Okay, and then this one we can make it higher than before, around 6 meter. And now we can push this one around 3 meter or 3.5 meter. Okay, so we can make the roofing with basic roofing in here. We can use the line, click from the middle in here, then we can draw the middle line over there. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, and we can move it up. Okay, we can move it up around 2 meter, and this one we can move it up, okay, around 3.3 meter. Okay, so this is the basic meshing of the luxury Scandinavian house. And then we can click this edge. We can click this edge and offset inside around 400 millimeter. And also this one, we can select the line, this fourth line, and we can offset inside 400 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this line and select move. Tap Control on our keyboard, click this line and place this position. Then we can type 3/ and enter. Then we can click the line and click from the origin. We can click from this corner until this position. And we can also click this one, this line, and select a move. Tap Control, click from this edge and place to this position. Then we can type 2/ and enter. Okay, then we can click from this line. Okay, we can draw the line in here. Okay, now we can push it to the front a little bit, around 400 millimeter, and also this one around 400 millimeter. Okay, and we can make the little window in here. We can select move, tap Control, click this line, place to this position around 3 meter. We can click this line and select move, tap Control, click this from this line and place this position. And we can type 3/ enter. Okay, this is the basic concept of the Scandinavian luxury house. Then we can click from the rectangle and click in here. We can draw the swimming pool now, approximately just like this. Okay, then we can click and offset it outside a little bit, around 300 millimeter. Okay, and then now we can draw the landscaping to greenery placement in here, and also the area for the landscaping, and also this one. Okay, and just a little bit in here for the greenery landscaping. Okay, now we can assign the materials of this basic shape. We can select the glazing and select the blue glazing materials in here. Okay, and we can select the roofing. We can click this roof metal. Okay, we can select this one. Okay, and then we can set the color to dark color, and we can select the paint. We can select the paint, or maybe we can select the wood color. And okay, I will add more materials from my library, for my private library. and that I have been prepared for that one. Okay, I've been prepared for the wood materials in here. Okay, I will select this wood materials, but I will adjust with the texture position like this. Okay, and this one, and also this one. So we can adjust the texture one by one to make it proper. Okay, in here. Okay, then now we can assign the another materials. Okay, we can assign the greenery materials in here. Okay, we can imagine that this is about a rooftop, mini rooftop in here, and we can add more access of the rooftop in here, and then don't forget to assign the materials with glazing materials in here for the access. Okay, then now we can assign the landscaping with landscaping materials, and assign for the water materials. Okay, we can select this water materials, and we can assign the concrete materials in here, and select the another landscaping. Okay, we can select the landscaping with this one. Okay, and I think it's done for the basic concept. Now we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, so this is about the basic concept, and I've already prepared for the palm tree, and we can copy this one and place to the appropriate place in this our model, approximately in this position and this position, and for the another position naturally. We can place the palm tree naturally to make it more representative. Okay, just like this, and also this one. So we can make it as beautiful as paradise over there. And now we can assign the style with the style. Okay, and we can also assign the shadow. We can also make the shadow in here, and we can adjust the shadow positioning over there. For example, just like this. Okay, so we can assign the shadow just like this. Okay, and then we can also assign the another component. We can assign the another component with a people component in here. It's just for example. Okay, to make it more representative enough. Okay, so this is about the basic shape of the Scandinavian modern luxurious house. And so you can explore more about the shaping, materials, landscape, and much more element of this architectural object. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.